You can create a view list, a schedule of the views in your project. The view list can be sorted and grouped just like any other schedule, making view lists quite useful as a project management tool. To create a view list, on the View ribbon, in the Create panel, I'll expand the Schedules button and click View List. Revit displays the View List Properties dialog. The available fields list on the left shows all of the view parameters. I'll select View Name and click Add to place that parameter in the list of scheduled fields. I'll do the same thing for Family and Type, Associated Level, Detail Level, and Sheet Number. Then I'll click OK. Now I can see the view list. To sort the schedule, in the Properties palette, I'll click Edit next to Sorting Grouping. On the Sorting Grouping tab of the View List Properties dialog, I'll set the Sort By value to Family and Type, and make sure that it's sorted in ascending order. I'll select Footer and leave the footer set to Title, Count, and Totals. In the Then By drop-down, I'll choose Associated Level and make sure that it's sorted in ascending order. This will make the schedule resemble the project browser, but with additional fields. I'll switch to the Formatting tab. In the Fields list, I'll choose Associated Level and then check Hidden Field. Since the view titles will appear in the footer, I don't need to see this field in the schedule. Then I'll click OK. In the schedule, I can click in any of the view name fields and change the view name. I can't change the family and type, however, since that's determined by the type of view. I can change the detail level, but I can't change the sheet number. That value is filled in automatically once a view has been placed onto a sheet. In a large project, you can filter this field to quickly see views that have or haven't yet been placed onto sheets, just as you can using the project browser. In the Properties palette, I'll click Edit next to Fields. In the Available Fields list, I'll select Title on Sheet and add it to the bottom of the list of scheduled fields. Then I'll click OK. In the schedule, I'll click in the Title on Sheet field for the 3D Plumbing Plan view and enter Plumbing Riser Diagram. That is the title that will actually appear on the sheet when this view is placed onto a sheet. Working in a view list can be a more efficient way of assigning view titles than jumping from sheet to sheet to make changes. Also, remember that since the view list is a schedule, it can be placed onto sheets, just like any other schedule.